Welcome. In front of me is a Poco F4 GT, and today I'll show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. Now, to get started, you'll want to open up your contacts application, which is located in the Google folder, and in here tap on the 3 bars, select settings, and choose import option from the bottom. This will bring up a window asking you if you want to import it from VCF file or SIM. I'm going to select SIM, and this will then show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. By default, they should all be selected. If you see some contacts that are deselected and also grayed out, that's completely fine. Those contacts already exist on your device, so the phone is stopping you from importing it twice. Anyway, from here, you can deselect contacts that you might not want, and from there you can select import. This will import all the selected contacts. When you go back, you should be able to see them now in your contacts list. And that is how you can import all your contacts. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.